Founded in 1997, Jincheng Wooden Industry Company Limited is a comprehensive enterprise integrating design, development, production and sales of wooden toys, preschool toys and craft gifts. The products are exported mainly to Europe and the United States and also Southeast Asian countries and other international markets. The company has passed obviously ISO 9001 quality management system, FSC, and also BSCI, SCAN and other series of system certifications. At present, the company has 6 independent brands and more than 150 registered patents under its name. The company currently has a plant area of more than 30,000 square meters. Has more than 20 professional workshops, and in the recent years they have continued to introduce new production processes and technologies, including advanced automated production equipment and such as automatic pad painting machines, robotic arms, automatic packaging machines, etc., etc. I want to talk about this workshop. As you can see, there are so many machines operating. In total, if you follow me, there are 89 wood cutting machines. All of them are automated, and in total there are 32 employees working here. They are basically assisting the machines. Although they are automated, they need human assistance as well, just to take up the parts. Alright, now as you can see, this is the pad printing workshop of Jincheng. These machines here, they are semi-automated machines, and in total, as I was told, there are 20 machines are operating. Okay, they are being used by 15 workers. So now we are standing in a painting workshop, painting line basically of Jincheng. As you can see, this special painting workshop, they use 2 machines, very special machines. They are called static automatic paint spraying machines. Now, according to the actual needs of the customers and the exported markets, all the products produced in Jincheng will be sent to the third-party labs for testing, safety testing and product quality safety, reliability testing basically. But before they send to the third-party labs, they use this special testing laboratory, which is consists of 5 team members, to test the products in-house. As a certified supplier, Jincheng controls its product quality in line with the international quality management system, so that overseas buyers can be worry-free when sourcing their products. And they also invest heavily on design and development and innovation to create trend-leading products with attractive appearances and creative function.